So, 2 days ago, among regular patient, nag-report nga naghibalo nga na dahil sa ankle injury. Si Major Tangha, ang police ng Davao City. So, kuan siya, jiu-jitsu practitioner siya, white belt, pero nag-prepare man gud me for this January nga event. Pero so ito sa
26 January.
January 26, no? Unsa tong event sir sa sa Canada?
Olympic Games. Philippine team.
Philippine team sir. Pero national Philippine PNP ang imong dalawon
Dili. Sa
Limitless. Limitless. Shout out kay Sir Mark Lim diha. So, so far, camera, dual diri. Base, so pag-report niya, basically what we did was to, apply cold compressed iron. So it has been 2 days, nalalay dito marang anti-inflammatory. So, toe hold to, pero more on, nakatindog siya, or naka-half guard ka? Nakatindog siya. So, more on inversion ang katong toe hold nga. Daghang mag-variation sa toe hold pero more inversion siya. So as you can see, ang sa lateral compartment, bag kayo, so much edema coming in. This bone, this is the talus, then this is basically your navicular. So, ang talocalcaneal ligament, medyo hubag jud kaya siya. So, we're going to be doing, we're going to put everything in place. Pero we'll be doing soft tissue repair. Gusto na mo makabalik dayon si Sir, sa iyahang round. So, relax. Relax up. Let go. Breathe. Let go. Relax. Let go. Relax. Relax. Then from here, we're going to have a talus back. And just relax. Kuan kayo ang edema, so we're going to secure soft tissue muna. Mas ang lalayan. So ato siyang i-reduce ang swelling. So this is basically edema. Sakit sir? Kaya
Muro siya paak sa amigas nga muro dinosaur ka daw. Amigas na yung dinosaur mo today. Ang paak sa amigas muro dinosaur ka daw.
So there. Relax. Okay, now going to do the edema a little bit. So just take it slow. Just sakit siya gamay. Kaya na sir?
Di siya sakit gamay. Sakit siya daw.
So just going to put a little dorsiflexion, plantar flex. So ang ginabuhat nato, you're just going to loosen up a little bit of the edema. So much swelling before we do an adjustment on the talus. Ano ba na yung worst injury so far?
Dili, nakaka-injury sa natin yung kalakaw.
Ano to?
Tatlong yapon, skateboard.
More kaning gyapon nga ankle?
Grade 3.
Grade 3?
Kapit nung graduate. Grade 2 naman. Recording siya to.
Breathe. Very good. Okay, relax. There. Good job. Okay. You need to secure the talus para mas fast ang recovery. Since nagamit mo yung oil, magamit ko towel for relax. Let me go. Adjust na lang sa nato ang bed para flat. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. Relax. Right, inhale deep. Exhale. Buyat. Masa itong one? So, nabalik na nato ang talus. We're just going to promote more dorsiflexion and plantar flex. So we're trying to do myofascial release using cupping techniques. Okay na sir? Sakit sir? Pain level pila na nabilin kaniya? Pagtamak nimo? Tuna na. Alright, relax lang. Just let it go. Now we'll be trying to glide a little bit of the fascia. Sorry sir, sakit kamay. Kaya ra? Just trying to secure eccentric contraction. There you go. Good. Here now, sige. Dol, tissue dol. Dol sir, try daw lakaw sir. Kasta.
Almost tulad na.
I-secure muna the... Okay. So, ang katumagong toe hold ng good, with that kind of variance, more on inversion sa imong ankle. So, what I want you to do is, since inversion siya, we're going to secure the opposite direction. So, what you do, tama ka, direct. Then, all you need to do is just to, ang heel, ang imong calcaneus lang, ayaw lang dyan i-lift. So, you just move towards that direction. Okay ha? Sir, patungan pa. Heel sir. One sir, putang natin the sir. Okay, remember sir, ayaw okay, good. Forward ay ang heel, yeah, as much as possible. Try na, yeah, dali siya musaka. So, these are certain techniques nga tungkol sa copyright, hindi na mo pwede isulti. Right, let's do last 10 reps. You do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go deeper, sir. 6, 7, last 3. Yep, it's okay. Nagkataitan dyan ng yung Achilles. Last one. Push. Then we try to, good, relax na. Then, ano na sir? Relax, sakang gamay sir. Then we try to put the talus back in place. Sino sir? Try? Yung level na bilin niya.
Okay na.
Okay na? Mag-tape lang Mick para sa edema. Secure lang namang swelling. Kuan. Sa badlo, pwede.
Balak na.
Base sa swelling.
Ay,
Pwede sa
schedule sa
badlo.
balot. Pagdili lang ang night mo.
Oo, pero
Hindi na ako nagpagunitan.
i-inform na. Saturday, pwede na yung i-roll. Tapos kuan na, tagaan lang ka ni Coach Jong o kuan ka ng mga mobility exercises. Pinanapod strengthening.
Medyo sakitan yung pagkano kayo.
Ito, kung i-exceed mo to, nakamili mo. Pero kung i-exceed po mo to nga range of motion, mobility, try na to i-ano dito sir sa wall.
And then face lang ako sa wall sir. And then ang imuhang kanang nabitin mo na so try lang nimo siya flat footed lang ka. Ang ankle nimo backward na sir. Okay. Tapos ang ankle nimo ang heel ano lang nakangila. And then forward ang tuhod sa wall hangtod sa makaya nimo. Forward. Okay, kailangan din siya mag-lift. Tapos drop nyo na siya ha. Yan. Tapos balik ko. Yan. Good. Yeah, at least turns at least. Three. Four. Five. Ayan ang nice one. Sige. 6. 7. 8. Good. 9. 10. Okay, good. So, so next na itong mobility. Okay, case lang pala sa sir. So, if to, itong pa na pa straight lang. Yung mga ano sir, neutral spine. Engage lang ta. And then you go up, tiptoe. Kanang sa balls, isa yung mga, yan. So, okay, down. Good. So, at least 10. Go. 1. Good. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, down. Okay, next sir, baliktad na punta ha. Tapos, pasangka na po siya. 1, balik. 2, okay, at least 10, neutral spine, engage, and go. 1, good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, good. Ang sa strength. 2. Okay? Pero always kaya siya nakatay. Hindi na siya dapat man. Okay. Yes. Okay, pagawas na siya. At least 10 lang siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Focus angle sir.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next, Saluto punta. Okay, go. 1, 2,
Nice. Good. Ano lang,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,